Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. BBNaija Pepper Dem reunion show. I and Venita could have been the most powerful couple, Frodd tells Ebuka. Talking about the influence of housemates Venita Kofure over other housemates during the 2019 BBNaija show, Frodd confirmed to BBNaija host Ebuka Obiuchendu at the Pepper Dem reunion show day 20 that Venita was more perfect spec of a woman for him than Esther. According to Frodd, when Venita came into the house as one of the last set of housemates who were introduced into the show some weeks after the premiere, he thought she was an angel sent to him. Frodd continued that at that point in time, he developed that closeness with Venita which made them got talking and knowing each other more. Then Frodd added that he and Venita observed that they share a lot in common. Getting to know themselves relatively made them see they share a really common ground. He also told Ebuka that truthfully Venita is the perfect person who, if they had formed a union, could have been the most powerful couple in the show. Probably must have challenged Ike and Mercy, who were known to be viewers' favorite couple. Frodd said, when Venny came into the door, I felt this was an angel sent for me. So what happened was, we had that connection, but I did my job as HOH. Aside that, we got talking on personal ground and observed that we both share common ground, very same common ground. I felt good, I felt really good because at that time, everything that was in the air about my relationship with Esther, I was not interested. I won't lie to you, this is my perfect spec of a woman. She liked me and we could have started that relationship in the house and could have been the most powerful. Wow, this is coming as a surprise to us as we never saw Frodd and Venita to be that similar. Anyway, let's hope something would happen in the future, and let me know what you think, guys, in the comment section. If you're new, if this is your first time of watching, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.